Would you like 5 incomes with multiple funnel? Let me show you how you can get that. First of all, just start here. We go in here, you go and check your links, says links. They call them links, but yeah, the reason they call them links because each capture page has a link, and in order to use the capture page, you have to click on one of the links, and there's lots of them. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I send them. Then you go back into the system again, and it shows you all the training that you get with the system. First of all, you get weekly training, then you get marketing system training. Now, this is really something. If you check all these out, you'll become a better marketer, and you don't have to do these all at once. You can do 1 or 2 or whatever you got time for, and then come back and do another one. But eventually you get them all done. Then you go back into the system again, and you exit that training, and then you get some more training. You get your weekly training. Well, I just weekly. First of all, it says work on you, which means work on your personality. And you got lesson 2, it shows you where and how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. Lesson 5 shows you how to do YouTube ads. Lesson 6 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time to do this opportunity. You don't need much, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. Then lesson 7 has a few more bonuses. Once you're in there, you can take a look at them. Then you exit all the training and you go back in there and you see who's all your teams are. You go back in here and you see all the leads you get once you start advertising, and you get an email with each one. So be sure to follow up. If you want them to work with you, follow up. The company follows up, but they want to hear from you so they can work with you. Then you go ahead and see who's all on the leaderboard. Then you got resources. Now here's some sample emails you can use to follow up with. You can use these or you can use your own, whatever you want, but be sure to follow up. Then you go into some more resources. You look at all the banners you get to do your help you with your advertising. There's lots of them. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending where I'm sending them to. Then you go back in there and you see all your social images that you can use to do your social advertising. So all these things are a great benefit to help you do your marketing. Then you go in there and you see your Facebook posts and where and how to get traffic. Then you go in there and shows your bonus income. I'll show you that later. Okay, now let's say that you want to get started with this. First of all, you go here, you get started. Now, I'll put a link under the video so you can watch Matt do this great opportunity. And after you watch it, be sure to sign up because it's definitely a benefit for you. And right now, if you want to, they have, it's usually $97. Right now, they have a special on for $49. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a $20 commission. They also have a yearly plan, which is available, optional available. And that's another $350. I took that plan because then you don't have to worry about payments for a whole year. And you do make more commission. You make a $200 commission if you get somebody in under that. Then you go back in and you got step 2 and step 3. Now with this system, you can put your own opportunities in if you have any. If you don't have any, take a look at the ones I use. They're both great opportunities and they're each under $10. Then you got step 4, which is your back office and also traffic authority. They've been in business for over 10 years, so you get great leads there. And Multiple Income Funnel has been in business for over 4 years, so they're all legitimate companies here. Okay, so I think I pretty well, and then my pretty well told you everything that you can get to get started here. So if you want to get started, you go there and click on step 1 and sign up. And then if you want, and my bonus income is another way I get leads. I get for $1 a day, I get 100 leads. At the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a small commission and you get another 100 leads a day. So you could have 6,000 leads by the end of the month for that low money. And it also enables you to be able to email them every day So be sure to take a look at that once you're in there. Okay, let's see now. I think I pretty well told you everything that you get. So uh, let's say you want to get started, you go there and you do all that. Now, I hope you people are having great weather because we're having great weather this year. And so be sure to give my video a like and subscribe to my channel. And that's all I'm going to tell you for this week. This is...
It's Matt.
I don't know what happens to my